Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 几 or 鸡 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. This is a polyphone. 几 How much? How many? A few. As 几 means almost. Small table. For example, 几乎 almost, nearly. Check this sentence. I can remember very little about the events of the following several hours. 接下来几个小时发生的事，我几乎都不记得了。I can remember very little about the events of the following several hours. "接下来几个小时发生的事，我几乎都不记得了。接下来几个小时发生的事，我几乎都不记得了。接下来几个小时，几个小时发生的事，我几乎都不记得了。I can remember very little about the events of the following several hours. 接下来几个小时发生的事，我几乎都不记得了。几 in cursive. 几 how much? A few. 几 almost, small table. 几乎 almost, nearly. I can remember very little about the events of the following several hours. 接下来几个小时发生的事，我几乎都不记得了。几 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 几 or 鸡. I hope you find this video helpful. support my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.